That's a hot fire. Howdy ho, friends. Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Bob. Today is going to be an interesting one. At Wally World, I actually found sausage in a can. I know. I posted this on Facebook. It got a lot of mixed reviews. Most of them were not good. But you know me, I got to try it, see what the heck it's all about. First thing we got to do is take this coat off because it is getting freaking hot out. Oh no. What is that? Yeah, heads up. The ticks are starting to come out in force, and I've already sprayed once, and I'm hoping like heck that the promethium I have on my jeans is going to work out. Because it was last year when I sprayed them. I have no idea what's going to happen. Huh, interesting. Anyway, so we got our sausage in the can, and they say it goes great with eggs. Not a problemo. We have eggs. And what I do with these little guys is I don't bring the eggs out here, obviously, because, yeah, it's not going to make it in my backpack with that little egg container. But what I do is I break them in a bowl at home, suck the yolks up, put them in an old water bottle, and they are good to go. Let's keep this out of the sun for now. It is surprisingly warm out. Oh, check out this cute little freaking spatula I got. I know, dollar store. All right, enough of me rambling. Let's get this thing. Let's get this started, shall we? Well, I'm going to open this up. I have no clue what's going to come out of this can. I'm seriously hoping for round sausage, but I have a feeling that is not going to be the freaking case. Oh, that's... Oh. It smells like sausage, but it looks like dog food. Did I get dog food? Nope. It's real sausage. Okay. So plop it in. Oh my God. It looks like freaking Alpo. I sure hope the hell it tastes better than it looks. What have I got myself into? I'm going to do it. I don't think it needs butter, to be honest with you, but I did bring a little bit. It might help with the flavor. I have no idea. We're just going to drop a little. I don't think we need butter, though. Oh, well. Woo, that is some serious sodium count. Let's put this on and see what happens. That is pretty wild, friends. Alright, I'm just going to shut up and we're just going to go with it. Is it pre-cooked? And it doesn't say. Huh, alright. Yeah, I don't think we need this butter. We'll just pull this butter out of here. It's just going to be come here, butter. We'll save that for something else. Yeah, we don't need butter. Okay, they say to mix it with eggs, so that's what we're going to do. Oh, friends, I've been seeing a lot of trash in the woods. Please pack your trash out. And if you see somebody throwing stuff down, get on their butt about it, will you? It's ridiculous. I've got a lot of trash to clean up in this area when I'm done. All right, here is our eggs. Flop. Hey, an egg yolk made it. Look at that. See? Got a little egg yolk in there. Oh, you can't see it. There we go. Egg yolk in there. Go figure. Yeah. God, I wonder if I got any hot sauce in my pack. It's going to need something. Anyway. I am not 100% sure on the cook time, so we're going to find out together. I've got to find hot sauce. Well, I think it's done. What I did is put it on a medium heat for 20 minutes, then moved it over to the hot side of the fire for 6 minutes, and it's not sizzling like it did before. I can tell you it has really destroyed my pan. That's not good. The eggs are done. The sausage is somewhat brown. I guess there's only one way to find out. So if I run off into the woods after I take a bite, you'll know what happened. Let's put these over here. Getting my beverage ready. We all know how this turns out. Doesn't smell bad. It's really hot. Huh. It's got a good smoke flavor from the campfire. That's cool. Not bad. It's not bad, actually. I can use more eggs. Probably 5 eggs instead of 3. It's actually pretty good. I mean, a little hot sauce would really bob it up a bit, but I looked through my pack. I don't have any. You know, this is definitely something worth giving a try. If you do, let me know in the comment section. Oh, what was this? I got an ant crawling on me. So I would say on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being terrible, 10 being awesome, I'll give it a 7. It's edible. It's not bad. You can definitely taste the salt. Yeah. Well, this is going to wrap up this Cooking with Bob video. It's been a real short one, huh? But I really wanted to try a sausage in a can. I got it for like $1 or something, like $1.25 at Wally World. And what the heck? Another option for a trail meal. I would definitely try it at home before you come out here, though, because if you don't like it, you're kind of stuck with it. What is crawling in my hair? Oh, my Lanta. Piece of wood. We're good. Comments are always welcome. Heads up, it will take me a while to get to them. But like always, friends, thanks for watching.